The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, as well as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, at exactly 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 35 asteroids, each 0.5 kilometers wide, have been spotted. The asteroids are supposed to hit Earth within 2 days. The impact locations are unknown at this time, but are expected to hit several east and west states. All residents receiving this broadcast should pack the necessary supplies and move into an underground shelter. Stay tuned for more updates. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and NASA. The asteroids that were discovered 2 days ago are expected to hit Earth in the next 5 hours. The impact locations are as follows: Columbus, Ohio; Nashville, Tennessee; Boston, Massachusetts; Great Smoky Mountain National Park, Tennessee; Asheville, North Carolina; Parkdale, North Carolina; Columbia, South Carolina; Charlotte, North Carolina; Greensboro, North Carolina; High Point, North Carolina; Charleston, South Carolina; Atlanta, Georgia, and 23 others. Every resident in the United States must go to an underground shelter. Grab food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Tune into local radio for more information on this dangerous situation. An administrative message from FEMA. The asteroid chaos that happened 1 week ago has ended. There is massive damage to the country, but you can get out of your shelters. We will switch back to normal programming. This is an administrative message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency.